Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of homemade tomato sauce. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, there's nothing quite like the rich, flavorful taste of a sauce made from scratch. So, grab your aprons and let's get started. Before we jump into the recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Now, let's talk tomatoes. Choosing the right tomatoes. The key to a fantastic tomato sauce is starting with the right tomatoes. Look for ripe, juicy tomatoes, like Roma or San Marzano varieties. These tomatoes are known for the deep flavor and low moisture content, making them perfect for sauce. Preparing the tomatoes. Once you've got your tomatoes, it's time to prepare them. Grab a pot of boiling water and let's blanch the tomatoes to make peeling a breeze. See how easy that was? Now, coarsely chop the peeled tomatoes. And don't forget to save those tomato scraps for a future vegetable broth. Sauté aromatics. Now, let's infuse our sauce with some incredible flavors. In a large saucepan, heat some olive oil and add minced garlic, diced onions, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a hint of heat. The aroma in your kitchen right now is just heavenly. Once the onions are translucent, it's time to add our chopped tomatoes. Simmering and seasoning. Now comes the magic. Let's bring everything together by simmering the sauce. Add salt, pepper, a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity, and fresh herbs like basil and oregano. Be patient. Let it simmer on low heat for at least 30 minutes to allow all those flavors to meld together. Blending and finishing touches. Our sauce is looking and smelling incredible. For a smooth consistency, use an immersion blender to puree the sauce right in the pot. And there you have it. Homemade tomato sauce. But wait, we're not done yet. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. You can also add a splash of balsamic vinegar for an extra layer of complexity. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Don't forget to comment down below with your favorite ways to use tomato sauce. Until next time, happy cooking!